In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to launch a similar business that generates passive income following the footsteps of a children's storybook that has earned a substantial $165,000. This incredible success story will showcase how you can utilize the power of AI technology to bring your own book idea to life. If you are interested in creating a steady stream of income while barely lifting a finger, then continue watching until the end. While casually browsing on Amazon for potential ideas to generate passive income for my business, I stumbled upon a fascinating product, an enchanting storybook for kids. At first glance, you might wonder what makes it so intriguing. However, after conducting extensive research, I was astounded by the insane numbers these sellers were making from the sale of simple storybooks like this one. Take a look at the ratings this book received, a staggering 2,550. By multiplying this figure by the product price of $6.47, you'll discover that the seller has earned a remarkable $16,498 from this book alone. The craziest part is that you can publish these books for absolutely free using Amazon KDP. In light of this revelation, I thought to myself, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon, and generate passive income that keeps flowing even while you're sound asleep? Motivated by this idea, I decided to make this video to assist as many individuals as possible. As you may already know, the first step in creating an exceptional storybook is to develop a captivating story idea. To accomplish this, I asked the chatbot to generate a suitable title for a children's storybook. The initial response was The Magical City. Although it wasn't quite what I had in mind, I knew we could do better. So I gave it another shot, and this time the chatbot suggested The Magical Lost Circus. It sounded more promising, but I believed we could still improve upon it. Finally, we arrived at The Adventures of the Magical Lost Circus, The Search for Lost Animals. Now that's an exciting story. Next, I asked the chatbot to provide more details about the story. It revealed that the book targets children aged 5 to 8 and revolves around a circus director embarking on a thrilling adventure to uncover lost animals in their circus. I instantly fell in love with the concept, cementing my decision to proceed with it. The subsequent step involved creating the story outline. Thanks to the chatbot, we quickly generated the chapters, each with detailed scenes. Chapter 1. The Lost Circus. Chapter 2. The Wise Old Lion. Chapter 3. The Smart Monkey. Chapter 4. The Thieves. Chapter 5. The Circus Boss. Now, armed with this story outline, we could commence the creation of the actual story content based on these chapters. To begin, all you need to do is copy the first chapter, The Lost Circus in my case, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to generate a rhythmic story. Once the generation is complete, read through it. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can always regenerate the answer until it meets your expectations. Repeat this process for each chapter, and within minutes, you'll have a complete story ready to be transformed into a book that generates passive income, all without having to write a single word yourself. It's truly remarkable how swiftly we arrived at a compelling story idea and developed all the chapters along with the captivating story content. But trust me when I say we are just getting started. What comes next is mind-blowing. If you love making money with AI, smash the like button to show some love. We all understand that even the most exceptional story idea falls short without high-quality illustrations. Normally, you would have to spend thousands of dollars on artists to create these illustrations. However, what if I told you that all the images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator for free? Would you believe it? You've probably heard about AI art and how it can produce original images based on specific words or descriptions. That's precisely what I did to complete the illustrations for my first chapter. Allow me to demonstrate. When it comes to AI art generators, numerous options are available. I've personally tested many of them and found that Midjourney provides the best experience in my opinion. Once you join their Discord server, you'll notice that new images are constantly being generated by millions of users. To generate your own image, start by typing /imagine after the prompt. Then, describe the image you wish to create using the story chapters you've generated earlier. For example, I copied the first chapter's title, Jerry and the Lost Animals, by typing /imagine and pasting this title. I could establish the desired image. After the image generation is complete, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The top row consists of U1, U2, U3, and U4. These buttons allow you to upscale your chosen image, creating a larger version. The bottom row comprises V1, V2, V3, and V4. These buttons generate 4 new variations that share the overall style and composition of your selected image. I won't go through the entire process for every chapter as it would make the video too lengthy, but you get the idea. Take it step by step, generating images based on each story topic. If you require additional guidance on using Midjourney, please refer to the detailed guide provided below this video. Now that we have our generated images, let's move on to combining the text produced by ChatGPT with the images created using Midjourney, resulting in a professional-looking storybook. Begin by visiting canva.com and search for a suitable storybook template. Once you find one, select Create a Blank Storybook. Now, upload the AI-generated images to Canva and easily drag and drop your first image into the template. Next, retrieve the first part of the story from ChatGPT and paste it on top of the image in Canva. Here, you can freely adjust the text to your liking, whether it's changing the color, font style, or adding shadows and more. Canva is user-friendly, making it accessible even to beginners, and the best part is, it's free to use. Continue replicating this process for each chapter of your book. Add the corresponding image and text, ensuring consistency throughout. Once you've completed all the chapters, save the book as a PDF and get ready to celebrate your accomplishment. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very first storybook, ready to generate passive income. There's only one step left before you can start making money: publishing your book on Amazon. Unfortunately, explaining the entire process would take too long in this video. Lastly, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.